right. Today I'm going to help you with filling out a durable power of attorney. There are 15 things that you'll want to indicate as powers that you want to have in your durable power of attorney. And we're talking about for managing financial matters in the event that you lose your ability and are incapable or incompetent to carry out these decisions for yourself anymore. First one deals with real property transactions. So you want to indicate that you want your attorney in fact or your agent to make decisions and carry out decisions on your behalf with regards to real property transactions. That means buying property, selling property, renting property, and of course building on property, or even paying property taxes on property, or paying the mortgage interest on property. Anything having to do with real property, you want to give your agent the power to make those decisions and carry them out on your behalf. Tangible personal property transactions, that's the second power that you'll want to extend to your agent or attorney in fact. This deals with anything that's personal. Now let me distinguish real property from personal property. Real property is something that is not the following. Personal property is something that you can pick up and put in your car or your truck and move anywhere else. Real property is anything that's immovable. Okay, so let me just make that distinction. So tangible personal property is anything that you can move, and you want to give your agent power over tangible personal property. The next item is stock or bonds. Investments. You want to give your agent power to make decisions with respect to your bonds, your stocks, your commodities, your treasury certificates, any kind of investment. Life insurance, that's another item. Annuities, 401ks, retirement plans. Those are all investments, and you want to give your agent or attorney in fact power to carry out your decisions on your behalf with respect to any of your investments. You want to give your agent or attorney in fact power to meet with your banker, to title bank accounts in your trust or not in your trust, to change the title on bank accounts or to not change the title on your bank accounts. If you own a business, you'll want someone, preferably your attorney in fact, to know what to do with your business interests, whether they're real estate inside of an LLC or an actual functioning business that earns you dollars and cents. The next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to indicate that you want your attorney in fact to have the power to make estate, trust, and other beneficiary transactions on your behalf. You do not want to restrict his or her ability to make changes in your estate, your trust, and other beneficiary transactions on your behalf. As I mentioned earlier, claims and litigation. You want to make sure that your agent attorney in fact can represent you or bring litigation on your behalf if you're involved or your estate is involved in litigation and you're incapable of protecting yourself. Personal and family maintenance. That deals a lot with things outside of the health care realm. We talked about that in advanced health care directives, but here you'll want to deal with everything else. Going to see the doctor, going to see a trainer, going to see a physical therapist, those kinds of things, plus just run-of-the-mill maintenance. In other words, making sure that you're eating, making sure that you're getting sleep, those kinds of things. Personal hygiene, those kinds of things enter into personal and family maintenance. Benefits from Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, and other governmental programs, or civil or military service. You'll want to give your agent or attorney in fact power over that. As I mentioned earlier, retirement plans, transactions, and of course, last of all, give your attorney in fact power to sign a tax return on your behalf or to meet with advisors in the setting of preparing a tax return. Those are all the powers that you'll want to give your your attorney in fact for the durable power of attorney. I look forward to going over this with you. Thank you.